In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Wi-Fi from disconnecting on your iPhone. So if you're having trouble with your network where you're constantly getting disconnected, then there's actually a few things we can do to solve this. Now, the first step is to head over to the Settings app on your phone. From here, scroll down and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. And then press Reset Network Settings. Now you'll just need to enter the passcode to your iPhone, and once your network settings have been reset, you can then head over to Wi-Fi and reconnect to your network connection. Once you've reconnected to your Wi-Fi, click on the information button next to it. Make sure low data mode is turned off like this. Make sure auto join is enabled and turned on, and then you can close out of this window. Then head back over to the main settings page, click on mobile service, then scroll right to the bottom of this page until you see Wi-Fi Assist, and you need to turn off and disable this feature, as this can also cause your Wi-Fi from being disconnected. Now the next thing to do is head back over to the settings page, scroll down and select General, scroll down and select VPN and device management, and then make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs at the top here. If you do have any saved VPN profiles, then you can also delete these from the list. Once you've done that, the last thing to do is to head back over to the settings page, scroll down and select Privacy and Security, click on Location Services, and make sure you have Location Services turned on. Then we're going to scroll right down to the bottom and click on System Services, and make sure that Network and Wireless is turned on and enabled. If it's already turned on, then you can try restarting this service just by turning it off and clicking turn off, and then re-enabling it by turning it back on. Now once you've done this should have fixed any Wi-Fi issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.